Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your chapter number 10, that is volume. So your first question is match the following. What is the shape of a cube? Cube is which has equal sides, so it is known as the what cube. So you have to match first part with this, and cube is matched with this here dice. Second was cuboid. Cuboid is what? Cuboid is shaped like that one. So it is cube. Match it this with. Cuboid is this, and it is you have to match with matchbox. Cone is this, you have to match with this cap, and cylinder is this, you have to match with this oil. So this is just match the following only. You have to shape the figure, and here you have one sphere also. Sphere you have to match with ball, and ball match with this football. Now come on the exercise 10a. Simple exercise. Find the volume of the cube and cuboid. Some are cube and some are cuboid, and answer you have to write cubic meter or meter cube. So you have to write your answer in meter cube, and sometime you have to write here cubic meter. This 3 can be written here in front of it as cubic. So answer can be written as two form, cubic meter or meter cube, but we are using here only meter cube. Area of the answer of either you have to write in meter square, and volume you have to write in meter cube. So find the volume of the cuboid. Okay, now just count how many boxes are there. 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 boxes are there. Okay, and 16 boxes are in front, and 16 boxes are at the back side, because there are two rows na. At the 16 are here and 16 are the back side, so you have to multiply by 2, you get 32. So your volume is 32 meter cube. What is your volume? Volume is 30 meter cube. 16 come from the number, and one back side is there, so you have to multiply by 2. Here you have only one side, and how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So your volume is 3 meter cube. Here only one side, and how many cubes are there? Just count. You get 16. So your answer is volume is equal to 16 meter cube. Simply you have to count and write. Here also just find in front how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to multiply by 3. It means 4 are here in front, 4 at the middle, and 4 at the back side. 4 are in the front, 4 are in middle, and 4 at the back side. How many are become? 12. So you have to multiply 4 by how many rows are there? 3. You have to multiply by 3. So your answer is 12 meter cube. Here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, only 10 are there, and no row is there. So you have to write volume is equal to 8 meter cube. Now this side, when you count from 1, they become 25. How many they become? 25. And how many are there? At the one in the front and one at the back side, 2 are there, so you have to multiply by 2. So its answer is 50 meter cube. What is the answer? Is 50 meter cube. Now come second, find the volume of each of the solid shape given your answer cubic. Okay, in first one you have to write your answer in meter cube. In second one you have to write your answer in centimeter cube. Nothing else, and all things are same. So just count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7 centimeter cube. Here 3 centimeter cube. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8 centimeter cube. The difference is that in the first one you have to write in meter, in second you have to write in centimeter. All things are same. Now these are the direct calculation. Direct you have to count. Now come on the formula one. Volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. So what is the formula of volume of cube? Side into side into side. And the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So in short we have to write L into B into H. L for length, B for breadth, H for height. So I'm writing here by pen some formula. Volume of cuboid, you have to write L into B into H. How you have to write volume of cuboid? L into B into H. And volume of cube you have to write side into side into side. Now find the volume of the given figure. Some figure are given. There is an eraser. It is length, it is breadth, it is height. So you have to find the volume. Butter, you have to find the volume. Fire matchbox, star shoes, is a cube, and these are dice. All volume you have to find out. Length, breadth, height is given. So this 3 part I am solving here. This 3 part you have to do by yourself in homework. So first one, let's see. First one, what is the length? Length is 3, breadth is 2, and height is 1. So you have to write here length is 3, breadth is 2, and height is 1 from the figure. Now volume of eraser, this is because the shape of this cuboid is eraser, is equal to L into B into H. So right here L3 B2 H1. Now when you multiply you get 6 centimeter cube. It is the volume. Second one you have to see 10 length, breadth 4, height 5. So right here 10 length 10th, breadth 4 or height 5 centimeter. So volume of water is equal to L into B into H. When you put the formula, write the value, L value 10, B value 4, H value 5, for 10 as it is, 4 5 is 20 and 20 times are 200. So your answer is 200 centimeter cube. Now come on third one. Third one is 714. So you have to write here, length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. So volume of fire match box is L into B into H. Put the value, you will get your answer 20 centimeter cube. Similarly, this three part, length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So you have to write the formula, put the value and then solve. You will get your answer. This three part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now comes second question, find the volume of each of the side is. You have to find the volume of cube. Side is given 7, 4, 2.2, 3.4. So two part I am solving here, two part you have to do by yourself in homework. So right here, find the volume of the cube whose side is. First one side is 7, so volume of cube is side into side into side. Put the value here, 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 is 49 into 7. When you multiply 49 by 7, you get 343 centimeter cube. It is your answer. Now come on, B1 side is 4 centimeter. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. What is the value of side here? 4. Write 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 into 4. When you multiply 16 by 4, you get 64. So your answer is 64 centimeter cube, because volume is always come in cube and area always come in square. So C and D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on cuboid. Find the volume of the cuboid whose length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So volume of cuboid you know very well. We are doing first question also. L into B into H. Put the value L 4, breadth 3 and height 2. 3 4 is 12, 2 as it is, and 12 2 is 24. Your answer is 24 centimeter cube. This question total has 3 part. 2 I am solving here. 1 you have to solve by doing homework. Second part, L is given, breadth is given, height is given. Volume of cuboid L into B into H. Put the value 10 into 8 into 5. 10 as it is, 8 5 is 40. What will you get? 400 centimeter cube. C part you have to do by yourself homework. Length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So write the formula, volume is equal to L into B into H. Now put the value 12 into 10 into 4. Now multiply and you will get your answer in meter cube, because the unit are given in meter. Now answer the following. Some word problem are coming, so we have to solve word problem now. A chocolate box is 25 meter long, so length is 25 centimeter. 10 centimeter wide is 10 centimeter, and 5 centimeter height, and height is 5 centimeter. What is the volume of two such boxes? So you have to find the volume of two boxes. Okay, first find the volume of one box, then the volume of two box will be double, so you have to multiply by 2. So volume of one chocolate box is equal to L into B into H. Put the value L 25, B 10 and H 5. Then 25 10s are 250 into 5, 25 5s are 125, 0 as it is. So it becomes 1250 centimeter cube. It is the volume of what? One chocolate box. Then volume of two chocolate box will, what is volume of two chocolate box? Then you have to multiply by 2, or you have to add 1250 to the same number. So volume of two chocolate box will be, you have to multiply the 1 by 2, you will get 2500 centimeter cube. A water tank is 20 meter long. Okay, length is 20, 15 centimeter wide, breadth is 15, and 10 centimeter 10 meter height. So height is 10 meter. Find the volume of the tank. The volume of the tank is equal to L into B into H. Write the value of L here, B here, and H here. Now simply you have to multiply 20 10s are 200, 15 as it is. Now 15 2s are 30, 20 as it is. So your answer is 3000 meter cube. It is the volume of what? Water tank. An eraser is 7 centimeter long, length is 7, 6 centimeter wide, breadth is 6, and 4 centimeter height is 4. What will be the volume of 10 such eraser? Okay, first find the volume of one eraser. When you find the one, then multiply by 10, you will get the volume of 10 eraser. So I am writing here, make a eraser here, length is this, breadth is this, and height is this. So volume of one eraser is equal to L into B into H. What is the value of L? 7, B 6, H 4. 7 6 is 42, and 4 as it is. When you multiply 42 by 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16. So you get 168 centimeter cube. What you will get? 168 centimeter cube. So volume of 10 eraser is, it is the volume of one eraser, 168 centimeter cube. So volume of 10 eraser will be more, so you have to multiply by 10. One eraser this much, 10 eraser you have to multiply by 10, you get 1680 centimeter cube. So the volume of 10 eraser is 1680 centimeter cube. Now come on D part. Find the volume of a cubical tank whose side is 30 centimeter. Okay, side of cubical tank is 30 centimeter. Then the volume of cubical tank is side into side into side. What is the volume of cube? Side into side into side. And 30 into 30 into 30. When you multiply it, 3 3 is the 9, 0 as it is. 9 3 is the 27, 0 as it is. So what you will get? 27,000 centimeter cube. It is the volume of what? Cubical tank. Now come on E part. A box is 12 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter height. So for the original box, length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. The dimension of another box is just half of the previous box. Now you have a one new box whose dimension is just half of it. Okay, then for the new box, what is the value of length? Half of it becomes 6, half of it becomes 5 and half of it becomes 4. So it is your original box and it means new box. It is your it means original box, that is the original one. It is your new box. This length you have to write capital L B H, capital you have to write, and you have to write small L B H. So original one have length 12, breadth 10, height 10, and the new one have half of it. So length is 6 half, breadth 5 half and height 4 half. Now what they told, find the volume of the both the boxes and find the difference. First you find the volume of these both boxes and find the difference. So volume of original box is equal to L into B into H, capital you have to write, put the value and multiply, you will get 960 centimeter cube. So volume of original box is 960 centimeter cube. Now volume of new box, that will reduce, L into B into H, small you have to write. Now put the value 654, 6 into 5 4 is 20 and 6 2 is 12, it become 120 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of first box or original box is 960 centimeter cube and volume of second box is 120 centimeter cube. Now what is the difference in volume? Difference in volume, difference means minus. So you have to subtract 960 minus 120, what will you get? 840. So difference in volume in 840 centimeter cube. One again I am telling, two boxes you have, original one length breadth height, new one just half of it length breadth height. Find the volume of both. You have to write, find the volume, it become 960 centimeter cube, that one become 120 centimeter cube, and what is the difference? You have to subtract, you get 840 centimeter cube. So this is your answer. Now I am come on exercise 10C. Recognize the top side front view from the views are following. Okay, one cylinder is given and show that it is the top. It is a top front, it is a top, it is the front, or it is a side. There are the views are there. So what is this one? This is what? Front view, and this is what? Top view, and this is what? Side view. So you have to write here only front, top, side. This one represent what? Front view. This one represent what? Top view, and this one represent what? Side view. Now come on second one. Here this one will represent top view, this one represent front view, and this one represent side view. Now match the following to the net. When you open this cone, you will get this one. So you have to match A with the last one. When you open this cone, you have to get that figure. When you open the cylinder, this part become rectangle and two circle are there, they become like that one. So you have to match this with cylinder, and when you open a cuboid, it become like that one. Just open a one match box, this figure become like that one. So you have to match first with cone, second with cylinder, third with this net. These are the net diagram of this one. Now come on, brush up once again. Find the volume of the following figure. These are we doing exercise 10A na. 1 2 3 4, just count how many are there, 16, and how many rows are there, 1 and 2. So you multiply 16 by 2, you get 32 centimeter cube. 32 centimeter cube. This one is too much difficult. See here, 1 2 3 4, 4 are there. Okay, and how many rows are there? 2, to multiply by 2, plus here how many are there? 1 2, only 2, and how many rows are there? 1 2 3, so multiply by 3. What you get? 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6. So you write here 4 here, just write 4, 2 rows are there, just write 2. Now here how many front? 1 2, they are 2. I am writing here A and B because of write 1 2, they are the same, and how many rows are there? 3, so multiply by 3. So what will you get? 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6. Then you add, what will get? 14. So your answer is 14 centimeter cube. Now come on question number second. Find the volume of the following. A cube has side. Okay, these two part are of cube and these two part are of cuboid. So one part I am solving here of cube and second part of cuboid. These two part you have to do by yourself in homework because they are same, and we have to do this one in exercise 10B also. So find the volume of the cube. Side is 4.1, so volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Just put the value 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. When you multiply, you get 16.81 into 4.1. Again you multiply, you get 68.921 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is 68.921 centimeter cube. B part you have to do by yourself homework because this is the same. Now cubite, length is given, breadth is given, height is given. Just write volume of cubite L into B into H. Length is 13, breadth is 10, and height is 2. Now multiply 13 is the 130 into 2, 32 is the 26, 0 as it is. So your answer is 260 centimeter cube. Similarly, the D part is what? This one. A cubite of length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on third question. Third question you have to cut. We have to do this one because this one is a much more practical question. So just cut this one. This one is not important. Now come on question number 4. Which box will contain more sand? A cubical box of side. You have one cubical box whose side is 11 centimeter and one cuboidal box whose length is given, breadth is given, height is given. Now you have to tell which will contain more sand. So whose volume is more, that box contain more sand. Whose volume is more, that much contain more sand. So I am writing here question here, which box contain more sand? A cubical box. So for cubical box side is 11 centimeter. So right here side is 11 centimeter. Or a cuboidal box, for cuboidal box having length is what length you have? 15, here 15. Breadth you have 8, right here 8, and height you have 10. So you have to write here height 10. Two boxes you have. Now find the volume of first cubical box. Volume of cubical box, side into side into side. Side you have 11, 11 into 11 into 11, 11 11 is a 121, and into 11 you get 1331. Now for cuboidal box, length is this, breadth and height you have given. So right here volume of cuboidal box L into B into H. L is 15, B is 8, H is 10. Now multiply 15, 8 multiply 120 into 10, it becomes 1200. So which box contain more sand? Whose volume is more? Cubical box is more or cuboidal box is more? Obviously cubical box is more. So you have to write a cubical box contain more sand. Whose volume is more, that box contain more sand. So here cuboidal box is, sorry, cubical box is more. Cubical box has more volume. So cubical box contain more sand. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Now come on the last question of this exercise. Recognize the top, side and front view. Okay. What is this one? This one you see, this is the front view, right here front view. Now just see this one, this is what? Side view, and this is what? This top view. When you see this one here and these two boxes, you also look like that one from the top. This box come here, from the top you are looking, and when you see this become like that one. So it is a top view, it is your side view, and it is your front view. So we have completed chapter number 10 also. This one is very important for your half-yearly examination. Almost 2 and 3 questions you will get from this chapter. So all of you studies very well. If anyone have any doubt or any question, they can ask me now. Thank you.